In the West, Valentine's Day is well established as an opportunity to confess love to that one special person in your life and shower them with affection, which usually means showering them with gifts or planning to take them on the perfect date. One of the biggest differences between Valentine's Day in Japan and Westerns is the girl who gives the guys chocolates as a confession of their love.
Valentine Day, Valentine Day, Valentine Day. Valentine choko, Valentine choko, Valentine choko.
But Japanese girls don't just give chocolate to the guys they like. There are mainly three types of persons they are going to give chocolate in Valentine's Day.
honmei choko, honmei choko, honmei choko.
Homemade choko is which is often handmade for an extra personal touch and given exclusively to a significant other, where a boyfriend, husband, or the person who is not yet your partner, but to whom you want to confess your feelings.
Giri choko, giri choko, giri choko.
Giri choko, roughly translated as obligation chocolate. This gift is intended as a debt of gratitude and should be given to male friends, boss, family members, or work colleagues. You see, so many people have to be given the giri choko. Giri choko is usually something simple and cheap compared to homemade choko.
Tomo choko, tomo choko, tomo choko.
Tomo choko, typically expensive and elaborate chocolate gift between female friends and enjoyed away from the man. In the past few years, new categories have been added. Chocolate to give your family member we call it fami choko.
Fami choko, fami choko, fami choko. My choko, my choko. Ziko choko, ziko choko, ziko choko.
Chocolate you buy and give yourself for a well-deserved little treat.
Gohobi choko, gohobi choko, gohobi choko.
Gohobi meaning treat.
Sewa choko, sewa choko, sewa choko.
Sewa choko meaning someone could take care of you and treated you well. Although it has become traditional for girls to give chocolates on Valentine's Day, as women often feel immersed, pressure to spend thousands of yens on chocolate to avoid offending boss and co-workers. Many Japanese women have recently been pushing back against what they see as a dreadful practice of false giving. In response, many companies in Japan have banned the practice of giri choko to minimize perceived harassment. Oh, come on, man! You have to do something if you receive chocolate. On March 14, Japan celebrates White Day. In Japanese language is Howaito Day. Howaito Day. The day on which men give gifts back to women in appreciation of what they receive on Valentine's Day. Men are expected to give gifts value 3 times the value of the chocolate they receive on 14th February Valentine's Day. I hope this video helped you to know what Valentine's Day is like in Japan and how traditions have changed over time. Let me know how you guys celebrate Valentine's Day in your country. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share to your friends. 一緒に頑張りましょう。See you next lesson.